Good morning, everybody. I'm Catherine Breton from the Sequencing and Assembly Committee from ERGA, and I will present you the overview of our activity. The role of the SAC committee is to serve as a platform to collect the need of the community and be a place from which collaboration, project proposal, partnership, workshop, seminar series, or even tools and guidelines can start. We are 8 people in this committee with Guido, Aureliano, Camilla, myself, François, Nadej, Shilpa, and Taylor. And you can join us at different communication channels, our Google group, our email, SAC Assembly, our Keybase, and the Nextcloud, where we share the different seminars. So for the year 2021, we had 11 speakers listed here, and we have also an Elixir virtual all hands on ERGA biodiversity. The big event was the Bio-Hackathon from the 8th to the 12th of November 2021 to develop an open source infrastructure with the Elixir platform. This Bio-Hackathon was during 5 days, and we had 9 people on site and 15 to 20 people online. We make a robust assembly pipeline in Galaxy with the use of datasets from ERGA pilot to test pipeline, and we test different tools. We improve the gap filling, and we analyze an assembly statistic, and we improve the decontamination. What we wanted to do for 2022 is dividing 4 goals to facilitate the communication and sequencing and assembly topics among ERGA members and experts for 12 dates for seminar and 12 dates for discussion, 2 per month. We wanted to promote development and adoption of assembly workflow through the Bio-Hackathon, the GitHub repository, and the EMBO practical assembly course. We would like also to become a hub for discussion and information sharing on technical protocol sequencing aspects, and to provide a sort of guideline and good practices for sequencing and assembly following the state of art under the European context. We wish you all a rich and intense year 2022. With ERGA. Thank you.